Hi everybody, it's Tammy. I want to do a flip through of my design team project for January for MadPaperCrush. I'm using her friendship kit. It has lots of quotes about friendship in it and lovely purples and greens, and I really enjoyed this project. I also I got inspiration from. Now I'm going to try to say it, and hopefully I won't do too bad on it. I think it's O Dolcina. Her name's Anna. It's odolcina.anna on Instagram, but she's O Dolcina Scraps on YouTube. And I'll put the name below. I'll try to put the link to the video of this project that I got inspiration from. This is one of the photographs from the friendship kit. Lots of friends. And I found this fabric frame that someone had sent me in a swap, which just looks perfect with that. So the design is a 5x7 envelope, and turn up about an inch probably at the bottom for a pocket. It does make two, the way it's layered together, it makes two pockets, one on the front and one on the back cover. I've put laces, I've tea-dyed the envelope with a pattern, different laces and beautiful flowers, and a removable charm with some velvet ribbon, off-white velvet ribbon and sari silk. And I have this image on the cover, which has the Decorative Sisters is what it's labeled, but I've sewn it to fabric. And I just love this design. I hope to make more by this. But anyway, I'll do a quick flip through. So the pocket has some lace onto it with this beautiful graphics from the kit. Here's my pocket. She has several of these that are book fronts. It's called The Book of Friendship, this one. It's all about friendship. Lots of room for writing notes or putting a small photograph. She has lots of these sayings. I awake this morning with devout thanksgiving for my friends, the old and the new. So just a little side pocket here. Some of the graphics in the kit. So you see how it's just kind of layered, and the different layers just really make this kit. She has some images of some ladies in the kit. I have some piano paper, just crunchy paper. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through. So some images of friends. It's writing paper. Music paper. Made a little frame that you could put a picture behind. Another image. I received this in a swap. I definitely want to try to make some of those. Lovely. It just went with it. Some more images. And I did the faux tape method. Some sewing. The Friendship of Art. Back. Collages are just wonderful colors. So make this into a pocket and just put the tag here in the back of this piano paper. Some more friends. Makes a little pocket here. These are, that one's from the kit, and this is from the kit. So this pocket has a collage, and I put, let's see, what did I put in here? Just a journaling card, a large journaling card. And the pocket in the front, sorry about that. This is from the kit, and I just made it into like a secret area in the tag, long tag, chicken journal. I'm going to put in. So I'll put that back in. So I really enjoyed this. I really love this design. Check out Old Dulcina Scraps on YouTube, and my MadPaperCrush, sorry about that, on YouTube, and she has Etsy store, both of them do, and their Instagrams, and you can find me on Instagram. And I'm fixing to open my Etsy store back up, and I'll put all the links below. I'm the girl from the Bayou. So that's where you can find me. Thanks for watching.